If you are craving a hot roast beef sandwich, well, baby, I veganized one for you. This is it. It was delicious. Oh, I had such a ball. I'm ready to eat another one. This was so good. Here is what I did. I took 3 portobello mushrooms. They're pretty large, and it made me 3 subs, so 1 portobello per sub. I sliced it on my mandolin, and it should be about this thickness. Now, you might be saying, I don't have a mandolin. It's okay. You can do what I'm doing right here. Take your sharp knife and slice it as thin as you can. Slice your portobello. Then make a broth of mushroom seasoning, liquid smoke, some fresh pressed garlic, some red wine, dry white wine. You can also use onion soup here if you want. Take all your sliced up mushrooms, put it inside of that broth no longer than 3 minutes because you don't want it to be too salty. Drain it out, save your broth, spread that across your nice French roll. I also added raw onions and caramelized onions, and then I also added a little vegan blue cheese. You could use mozzarella cheese here, whatever vegan cheese you want here. You can either dip it or not dip it. It's completely up to you. Dress this any way you want. But let me tell you, this hot roast beef sandwich, you got to try it. So yummy.